Hello! Welcome to the unseen universe. Today we have a very wet episode, a slippery episode. Today we're doing anchovies. So look at this, guys. We have a bunch of anchovies in here. We snack on these all the time. Oh, did you want a little anchovy? Chiquito, can you grab one and show everyone what the anchovy looks like? Whoa, hey, good job, guys. So we love anchovies. I mean, who doesn't love anchovies? They're small, they're crunchy, they're tasty, they're delightful. So we'll be taking a look at an anchovy. In particular, let me grab one here. Oh, this is the big one. There's an anchovy right there. We're going to be taking a look at the anchovies. We're going to be taking a look at its eye. That's right, there it is. So let's begin our journey at 5X right now. Whoa, check that out. Is that a little bit creepy? Your mouth is full. You can't say anything again. Yeah, there's the anchovy's eye. Oh my gosh. So anchovies are actually quite common. There's over 140 different species of anchovies in the world. There's a Japanese anchovy. There's a Mediterranean anchovy. California has an anchovy. So there's anchovies in all different types of oceans. Wow, these guys are clearly focused on the anchovies. Let's leave them be, folks. Leave them be. So there's 5X, but let's continue our journey. Let's take a look at the anchovy's eye.
It looks like the black sky in the night.
It does look like the black night. It looks like a dark moon, I think. Yeah, wow, that's interesting. Good observation. High
It
five.
looks like the space.
It does look like space. So let's go to 10X and then we can investigate what that looks like. Here's 10X. Uh-oh. What do we think of his eye now? It's very strange. Osito, do you see his eye?
No.
Yeah. What shape is his eye?
Called black.
It's black. Yeah, it's a black grayish circle. Wow, really weird stuff. Oh my gosh, they're going to town on the anchovies. No wonder everyone likes Good job, baby. Yeah, look at his mysterious eye. Anytime you get up close, folks, things always surprise you. You never know what they look like under the microscope. So this is the 10X. Let's continue. 20X, here we come. Whoa! There's 20X, folks. Oh my gosh, that strange eye is really fascinating to me. It looks like a black orb. You're still eating more.
No, it looks like the color black.
It looks like a black hole. Whoa, twisting and turning. Thank you for offering me some. Yeah, little fishy. Wow, so there it is at 20X, folks. That eye is looking really strange. Now, as I mentioned before, anchovies live in all the oceans of the world, but they don't like cold water. The anchovy fish, he only likes temperate water. Temperate water means the water has to be mild.
That's how
Yes, buddy.
warm water.
Yeah, warm, lukewarm, just nice and mild. Not too hot, not too cold. Wow, beautiful anchovy fish. These guys are just devouring them. So there you have it, everyone. We took a look at the anchovy. Was that a strange one today? Strange episode, yeah. We took a look at these little fishies. Look at how many of them there are.
Put some right there.
You're putting them right there? You're putting them in your mouth. That's where you're putting them. So there you have it, everyone. We hope you enjoyed swimming with us today as we swam with the anchovy fish. Join us next time as we continue to explore the unseen universe.